Last week on Tank Garage, we took out of storage my beloved Volvo Xc70 V8. Then went ahead and done some pretty spirited driving with the 360 camera and the microphones mounted. This week, we're going to be changing out the rear license plate lights from my Volvo Xc70 T6, going from halogens to LEDs. Enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank, and I'll be the man behind the camera. Today, we're upgrading the license plate lights on my 2010 Volvo Xc70 T6. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Probably one of the easiest installs that can make a huge difference on your Xc70 or S80 or S60 or any P3 Volvos of this era that came with halogen license plate bulbs. You guys know we've already done this on the S80 V8. Very simple, but it does make a big difference. If you guys have been following this build a little bit, we've done a full LED conversion on most of the exterior lights of the Xc70. All we have left was the license plates and the interior lights, which will come in the future. This car, well, like you guys know, has gone through quite a couple of modifications. And we still have a ton more to do, like lower it, paint the fenders, body match everything. We're gonna have to redo the exhaust and do a custom downpipe on it. But today, a little bit of a lesser difficult install, but very nice as well. See you guys on the tripod. Extra simple, guys. 2 Torx 20 bolts, and the rest is retained inside with a clip. I will just demonstrate and show you guys the new LED one. You guys can see, same shape. It has much more lights, number one. The OEM one, I'll show you guys, is a single halogen bulb. This one has, I don't know, what, 6 times 3, that would be 12, that would be 19 total. So 19 total small strips of LEDs versus one small halogen. It even comes with the little weather thingy on the back, but I would recommend if there's one OEM that you reuse the OEM. So Torx 20, these should be extremely loose, by the way. They should not be tight whatsoever. Like, you should literally just be able to take that off without a wrench. Just the wrench makes it easier. I'll show you guys the first one with the camera, and then the second one, I might actually use the new POV camera that I've gotten and you guys have seen only once. And then to take it out, let's see, maybe grab a little screwdriver, try to pluck it out of there. It is held in by like 2 little clips, so it kind of like clips in. So you might need just to grab, there we go, just like that. And I will show you guys the difference in between both of them. Well, this one is getting burned out as well. Let's see here. It can focus on me. Perfect. This one right here was getting burned out. You could see the inside of the bulb right here. Let's see. There we go. It is getting kind of burned out. It came with this plastic, but I believe that is stuck on there. I'll see if I can remove that plastic and put it on the new one. The new and the old. Looks so much better. So we're going to go ahead and put this one back. Just like that. And then while it's clipped on like that, we're gonna go ahead and use the light up mode to see if it works. Oh God, look at that difference, guys. And this is during the day. LED and regular halogen. That's a pretty big difference, holy. All right, well, let's put the bolts back and then we'll be good to move on to the other side. I will show you guys a POV of the other side, just so you guys could see properly how the install goes. It literally takes 5 minutes, guys. Cheap mod, I'll try to link it down below. It is, the bulbs are from AliExpress. I think they were like $5 for both of them plus shipping. I think it costed me like 10 bucks for both of them. So it is definitely a very cheap mod to do, but it completely changes the look at night. So you guys know when the car is lit up during nighttime, the license plate lights turn on, and that's what these do. So final check, it works. Amazing. Let's move on to the other side and we'll do it POV mode, I guess. All right, guys, so a little bit of a POV how-to. Would you guys like, by the way, this kind of filming where I'm actually wearing a cap and we're doing a little POV style of, whoa. Thank God this car has a lot of mileage. Doesn't make me feel that bad smacking it with the wrench. Definitely not a smart thing to do though. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these bolts. That is number one. And just place that down here. And number two. Hey. Hooray! Like you guys see, that is very, very easy. We'll compare it for you guys just face to face here, just to show you the differences. I showed it to you on the camera, but let's see right here. There we go. Look at that. So we have the new LED on this side, and then we have the old burnt out halogen over here. The difference is actually kind of insane. The plastic rubber outing right here, you cannot remove, unfortunately. I try to remove it, but it's kind of like underneath this. So it comes in the kit with like a little grommet like this. Use the one that's given in the kit. We'll just put this down here, and then we will just clip this back on. Once it's clipped, you want to grab your key and you want to try it. There we go. 2 functioning LEDs. Great success. Now let's put everything back with the bolts. I've ran these on the S80 V8 for 2 years now, and they still work. So how durable are they? I don't know yet, but durable enough to do 2 years. I mean, if you have to change it every 3 years, right? That would make it $5 every 3 years. It wouldn't be too complicated. My hands are getting a little slippery here. It is very hot. I think it's 35 degrees Celsius today. There we go. So now it should work perfectly fine. We'll test it out. Ta-da! That's how easy it is. And now you guys have some beautiful LED license plate lights. And they actually light up way better than the OEM ones. I'll show you guys at night, but we'll see each other on the main camera. So there you go, guys. Very nice and easy. Actually looks way better than stock. You guys will probably see it from here. Look at that. Versus the stock boring and very dim halogen ones. This is a very good upgrade for the money. And yeah, next up, we're probably going to be lowering the XC70, I'm going to put the stock end links in the front back because I still have that clunking ever since I tried to fix it. My radiator fan went bad, so we're going to be changing that, and then we're off to body matching. Probably changing the tires as well, because I did realize that these are little tiny. I had a lot of you guys mention it, and I do agree in the end that these tires are a little bit too thin. I'll be putting the same ones that I have on my S80 V8, so they're 235/35 19s. So this should look better like that. But yeah, that's about it for today's video. If I have time, I'll show you guys some footage at night, but I really don't think, because yeah, it gets dark very late, and I need to edit this video for you guys. So hopefully you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Oh, and before I go, before I leave you guys, and I tell you guys, have a great rest of your night, or day. We're just, let's see if you guys will be able to see this. She's coming back, boys.